Welcome back. In this video, we will look at one of my favorite features on lists in Python. It's called list slicing. It's a really powerful feature which can help you to break lists into different kinds of values without a lot of code. Let's look at what it is with a simple example. I'm creating a simple list called numbers. It has strings from 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's it. It has how many elements? Length of numbers, right? How many? 10, right? So if I want to find out what is the second element or what is the element at index 2, numbers of 2, right? Oops, numbers of 2. So it gives you 2 back. The same syntax you use to do this can be used to get a subset of elements from this list. How do we do that? Let's say I want to get elements from index 2 to index 6. What do we get back? 2 to 5. This is exclusive, so index 6 is not included. So it's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are the values you get back. This feature that we are using in here is called list slicing. There are multiple ways in which you can use list slicing. For example, if I don't really want to specify the starting element, that means the default will be 0. So what would it get? It would get elements up to index 6. So 0 to 5, that's what you would see in here. Now, if let's say I don't want to specify the ending index, but I'll specify the starting index, what would it get? Yep, you're right. It starts from index 3 up to the end of the list. So you can slice and dice the list in whichever way you would want. Is this not sufficient? Let's make it even more powerful. What we can even do is to specify, I would want to start from index 1. I would want to go up to index 8, but I only want to get every second element. What does it do? It starts with index 1 and it gets every second element 1, 3, 5, and 7. You see how powerful it is? You can even say I would want to get every third element only starting from index 1. What does it do? 1, 4, 7. It starts with index 1, goes to 4, skips 2 more elements, goes to 7, and returns them back. Now, if you would want to actually do this across the list, and I would want to start from element 0 and get every third element, colon, colon 3, what does it do? It starts with 0 here and then gets every third element. So 0, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Isn't this awesome? You can also use slicing to access the list in a reverse order. So numbers colon colon minus 1, same list, however this time in the reverse order. You can see when I say colon colon minus 3, it starts from the right side, fetches element, every third element from the right side. A lot of programmers from other languages struggle with slicing because when they first see this syntax, numbers colon 6, what is it doing? Numbers 3 colon, what is it doing? 1 is to 8 is to 2. Oh my god, Python should be some weird language. That's what they would think. But once you understand slicing very well, then it makes your code much more simpler. It makes the code much easier to read. Does the magic end here? Nope, the magic does not end here. Actually, you can use slicing to even delete elements from a list. So let's say I would want to delete all the elements starting from index 3. I can say del numbers of 3 true. So it deletes all the elements starting with index 3. Let's see what would happen. Numbers. It only has 2 elements. Let's reinitialize. Let's say I do delete numbers in the middle of the list starting from index 5 to 7. What would happen? Let's print numbers. Aha. 5 and 6 are thrown off. Thing to remember is 7 here is exclusive. So index 7 is not included. However, the first one, 5, is inclusive. So 5, 6, so 7 is not really included. Let's reinitialize the list again. Let's reinitialize numbers. And another important thing that you can do with slicing is you can even replace values in the list using slicing. So I can say I would want to replace values from index 3 to 5 with their corresponding numbers. So I would want to replace 3 with 3 and 4 with 4. So when I say 3 to 5, we are talking about two elements, 3 and 4, right? So let's make it bigger. So 3 to 7. So we are talking about 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's replace 3, 4, 5 and 6 with their corresponding numeric values, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What would happen? Numbers. You can see that 3 is replaced with number 3, 4 is replaced with 4. So these values are replaced with their corresponding numeric values. Slicing is very powerful, and in this video we looked at how you can use slicing to retrieve values from a list, how you can use slicing to delete values from a list, and how you can use slicing to update values in a list. When you're coming from other languages to Python, slicing is one of the important things that you need to understand very well. I hope you are having a lot of fun. I'll see you in the next step. Until then, bye-bye.